Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella. And by the way, this is the Hurricane Edition. Hey everybody, I know I haven't jumped on at all on YouTube. I can't. I can't. When I'm home, I cannot. I have no power, no water. It is now October 8th. It is very taxing and very, very difficult to live like this. I'm going to give you a little tour of the house in a bit, but let's jump right into the video. So as you can tell, obviously we have no power, no light, no water, none of that. Oh, I have water. Sorry, I have water. I have cold water, but I have water. So yeah, this is the best I could come up with, y'all. I'm sorry. First off, I'd love to thank everybody that has sent messages on Instagram and stuff like that. I have tried to reply to everything I can when I have service, because in the house at the moment we have no service. Today is October 8th. I am recording this because I am bored to death and I'm trying to find things to do to occupy my time. So they're claiming, prayers up, that we might get power tonight, tomorrow, or next week sometime. But in the meantime, I figured let's do some organizing. Right back here, this door right here that you see here, it's like half louvered and half whatever. It's got a little pillow on it. I'm going to open it up in a minute. That is my pantry. So I figured since we are not really eating and I'm not cooking and I'm not doing any of that stuff here, I mean, we're eating very, here and there. Anyways, it's fine. I'm not going to complain. I know there's people worse off than me. Speaking of worse off, I am going to leave the link to the GoFundMe page down on the bottom. If anybody is willing to help, that is fantastic. I've talked about this many, many times. I created me and a bunch of other people created this GoFundMe page to help some families. Anyways, so if you are inclined to help, that would be fantastic. If not, don't worry about it. So anyway, so I'm going to clean out the pantry. I cleaned off everything off the kitchen table. I'm going to take everything off the pantry and bring it over here on the table, go sort through it, and let's have some fun. I'm going to play this to music, so I'll see you right at the end. Well, my friends, are you like me? Do you let things get out of hand? I have let this pantry get out of hand. We just shove things in here. I haven't cleaned it out in a long time. I'm sure there's expired food in here. I guarantee you. Because like everybody, we always buy things and then we never use them, or we use them once, or they didn't taste great, or whatever. And then we just keep hoarding all this stuff. So hopefully this video will motivate you to get into organizing. And that's what I meant. I was checking the label. That was expired in 2021. It's 2022, Bella. Come on. Well, friends, here it goes. So many things. I have my baking stuff on the top shelf, but I think I might move it. I really don't know what I'm going to do or what half of this stuff is. So as I'm editing this video and voiceovering it, I realize this is making the best of what you have at the moment. Okay, I don't have light, I don't have power, and I don't have air conditioning, and I don't have hot water. But you know what I do have? Motivation. And you can always make the best of a bad situation. I mean, yeah, my situation's pretty bad. Is it hard living like that? Yeah. I mean, I would love to use my vacuum. I would love to have hot running water. But, you know what? I still can clean. So, you know, when you're in a bad situation, try and find the silver lining. Okay, what in God's green earth am I doing here? Let me explain. The shelves are wired. So I found this foam core board in the garage, and I thought, oh, I wonder if I could make the shelves a little more sturdy. And here's my drywall skills. Yes, I used to work construction.
Y'all are not
you all
gonna
know
believe
that.
this. It's about to rain. It's about to rain, y'all. It's about to rain. All right, let me fill you in. Because you're probably wondering, what is she doing? So I tried cutting the foam core board. I don't know if it works. I don't know. I'll figure out in a minute. My roof is severely damaged. It's severely damaged from Ian. And they came and they tarped it, and they told me 5 weeks till they come and repair the roof. And now it's gonna rain, and it's the first time it's rained since Ian. And I'm so nervous now, like, is it gonna leak? Is the house gonna, you know, is the roof gonna leak? Is the tarp gonna hold up? And I took on this project. Okay, well, that's my life. That's how it goes usually. All right, now, you know what? I'm gonna take you off the tripod and give you a glimpse of what it's like, how I've been living. I gotta show you the fridge because y'all are gonna just laugh to death when you see the fridge. Okay, let's get off the tripod and I'll come back and say goodbye to y'all. All right, well, don't look at the kitchen now messy because this is all the stuff from the pantry. But, ooh, the freezer door closed. Okay, so when you have no power, you got to keep the refrigerator open so it doesn't stink up, right? These are things that are not going to go bad, and I got my eggs there. And if you notice these little plates, the little tiny plates, there's more of them. There's another one up there. They got baking soda in them. You can see right there. It's got baking soda in it to keep it fresh. And there's all the stuff. All right, so the back door is wide open. You can see it there. You can see the cooler. And you could see the remnant of the food that I didn't put in the cooler today. And then there's the house. And the front door is wide open. And every window is open. And I know, here's all my mess. But here's all the stuff we took off the, took out of the pantry. Well, my friends, I'm going to stop filming now because, oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. Hold on, I'll be right back. I wanted to show you these. I got these beautiful canisters from Ross. Yeah, don't sleep on Ross. This is the big one. It was $7.99, and then I got 2 big ones, and I got 1 smaller one. The smaller one was $6.99, but it's got suction and everything. And I'm gonna tell you something. I've linked almost identical ones in my Amazon store, so go check it out under canisters. I love canisters. Look, I got them there. I got the Mackenzie Child canisters. I'm obsessed with canisters. What I want to do with these is, let me show you right now, because I like to make bread. I have my bread, my flour in this, but I thought I'd elevate it and put it in this just to make it look, you know, prettier and whatever, and try to make the pantry look as beautiful as possible. I washed them thoroughly. They're not dry yet. I washed them really early this morning. But it's very, very hot and very, very humid here. This is Southwest Florida, so I'm not complaining. This is where I wanted to come. Yeah, anyways, I love you all. I love you all so much. I hope I put this video up on Monday. Please declare, declare, declare with all your might, with all your belief, with all your passion, with all your heart. Declare in Jesus' name that tomorrow will be a better day for everybody. Declare what you want, what you know. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and we're gonna talk, because I know I haven't talked to y'all in a long time. You know that thing in your heart, and I'm gonna preach, and I don't care, because you know what? Our world needs a heck of a lot more prayer and positivity and just good stuff all around, because I am tired of, yeah, I'm ranting. I'm sorry. I'm frustrated, y'all. I'm hot. I'm bothered, and I'm gonna rant. I am so tired of seeing the most ridiculous, disgusting stuff come out of the media. I'm over it. Unbelievable. I mean, my mind can't even comprehend. I can't comprehend. Anyways, y'all. So about declaring. Let's do the happy thing. You know that thing that you have inside you, that thing that you want, that thing that keeps replaying over and over in your head? That is God. I'm going to tell you why I know it's God. I know for a fact, I swear to y'all, that is God's little voice whispering to you, like saying, for example, that you're gonna get the car that you want, like the dream car that you want, or your health is gonna be restored. Okay, whatever is that lingering, overly lingering feeling, that is God's little voice talking to y'all. I'm telling you. So boldly declare, you should see what I declare. Y'all, you die laughing if you knew. Boldly declare in his name. Tell Jesus, tell him out loud, tell God, tell him, just tell him. I'm telling you, ask and you shall receive. Once you ask, once you declare, and you can declare all day long if you want. Once you declare, know it's coming, and it will come. I'm telling you, it will come. It will come, it will come, it will come. I've seen it. I've seen it many times. I've seen it. Anyways, y'all, I'm getting emotional because I'm looking at those clouds rolling in and I'm thinking, Lord, help me right now. Made it to the end of the video. I love y'all. I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully I'll finish the pantry.